Hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the hall. And the candlelights when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with foolish delight. Foolish mortals.
All the way across, please do not stop.
I am your host, your ghost host.
All the way across, please. All the way back, all the way forward.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back.
Step away from the walls and gather together in the center of the room, away from the walls.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please.
Presentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del peine. Números pequeñitos,
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. priceless first editions of the Ghost Symbols. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Foolish mortals, please remain seated. Your arrival will lead motion immediately.
Final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Find it like unlivable here in this ghost world. Every room has wall to wall. And heart and
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by Frankie spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will continue our tour in just a moment.
To you foolish mortals, please remain seated. Live motion will resume immediately.
Ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, hail the rat.
The happy haunts every seed your sympathetic vibrations are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging weight. You'll be expecting. the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.